I found these insanely satisfying wooden car videos blowing up on social media. And you know the best part? They're completely AI generated. You can actually make videos like this yourself using free AI tools. Watch this video till the end, and I'll show you exactly how to create these videos with just one master prompt. Let's dive in. First, come over to this ready-made prompt sheet. I've already optimized the prompt for you, so you don't have to spend time writing everything from scratch. Just copy the entire prompt. Now head over to Google Flow, sign in with your Google account, and create a new project. Flow gives 50 credits daily to generate videos. For example, you can generate 3 videos per day from it. Also, you can create multiple Google accounts for this and take advantage of it. Alright, once you're here, we need to set up a few things before generating the video. So just follow what I'm doing. Click on Video, then choose Ingredients. Select your aspect ratio, make sure you select the Omni Flash model, set the duration to 10 seconds, and choose the number of generations you want. That's it. Now paste our master prompt here. You'll notice there's a word inside the brackets that says vehicle. This is where we need to enter the vehicle we want to create. Let's find some good options. I'll ask ChatGPT to give me a list of luxury car brands and models. And here we go. We've got plenty of options. For this video, I'm going with the Rolls-Royce Phantom. Copy the car name, paste it into the bracket, and we're ready to generate. Hit enter. Let's Google Flow do its thing. All right, it's done. Let's see how it turned out. Honestly, this looks really good. The wooden texture, the details, and the assembly process all look incredibly satisfying. And remember, we created this with just one prompt. Let's try another car model. I'll go with a Ferrari this time. Just replace the vehicle name in the prompt and hit generate again. Let's see what we get. Whoa, this one looks even better. Look at the details, and the sound effects make the whole thing feel much more satisfying. You can keep changing the vehicle name and create as many different variations as you want. That's how you can create these realistic wooden car ASMR videos using AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI video tutorials. Thanks for watching.